In this video, we will walk you through on how to manage and process your orders on the foodpanda device. You will be guided on receiving orders and pre-orders, accepting orders, declining orders, self-pickup orders, and recent orders. When a new order comes in, you'll see the new order notification. Pre-orders will show up under Upcoming. You do not need to start preparing the order. When the time is right for you to prepare the order, it will reappear as a new order. Tap to view the order. If your restaurant can prepare all the listed items, tap the green button to accept the order. The rider will arrive within the stated time to pick up. When the food is prepared, return to the order page. Tap on the Ready button to notify the rider that the food is ready for pickup. Tap to view the order. If your restaurant cannot prepare all the listed items, tap the Decline button at the top right corner. Select your reason for declining. If the reason is item unavailable, the system will mark the item as unavailable for the entire day. If an optional item is unavailable, you may be prompted to still accept the order or call the customer in hopes of saving the order. Do note that you may be charged for declining orders to cover the cost of customer compensation vouchers. Customers may choose to pick up their orders themselves. These orders will be labeled with a blue pickup label. After accepting a pickup order, do take note of the time frame. Remember to mark the order as complete once the customer has picked up the order. Under Recent Orders, you can review your order history for the past 48 hours. For further records, you can view them in Restaurant Portal.